Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How's everyone doing today? Today's video is pretty much inspired by this dress I'm wearing. I'm not going anywhere, but this is sort of like the prom date night kind of look. It's so beautiful. I can't wait to show you guys how to achieve this look. If you're new here, hello, welcome. My name is Naomi. I'm a YouTuber based in Nigeria, and please subscribe down below and welcome to the family. And yes, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for staying with me. I love y'all, and let's get right into this video.
So to start, I already have to clean my face using a face wipe, and after this I'll be using the GALA oil block mattifier. You guys already know this stuff is really good for oily skin. It controls and absorbs oil, and it gets rid of all that shine. And after that, I will be using my orange corrector to sort of correct any of these blemishes I have on my skin, and I will be blending this out with my foundation brush. And right after this, I'll be using my Girl Pro Coverage foundation. I always use this foundation because it's lightweight and it doesn't have a lot of coverage, but I just like to layer the foundation as much as I want, and I really like it and I use it all the time. And I'm just spreading this all over my face using that same foundation brush. And right after this, you know the drill, I'm going to be doing my contouring and highlighting, and I'll be using the Girl Pro Coverage Girl Cosmetics Pro Concealer, and I'll be mixing it with the Zara liquid concealer in shade medium, and following that up with a beauty sponge just to further blend everything out. I'll do the other side of camera and then come back. And right after that, I always like to do powder contour because I feel like it's faster and it's easier compared to doing a cream contour. So I just be using that angle brush to sort of give my face a bit of definition just around the corners of my face and the bridge of my nose. And after this, I will be setting my face with my pressed powder. Just everywhere I applied my foundation initially and my concealer, so that my makeup doesn't move. And right after this, I will be using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set underneath my eye area, the bridge of my nose and my chin. And I also don't like to bake for too long because I don't want that powder effect on my face. So I like to dust off excess powder and just leave some powder underneath my eye area and the bridge of my nose. The one under my eye, I purposely leave it there because just in case I'm doing my eyeshadow and then the powder gets to catch any fallout from the eyeshadow. So yeah, I'm just defining my brows. And right after this, I like to use concealer as my eyeshadow base. It really works for me other than using an eyeshadow. So I'll be using those two pigments from Super Cosmetics. I'm going to start off with the black. I'm just going to be pressing it on the outer corners of my eye area. Because it's black, you want to work really carefully, guys. Like, you don't want to spread it everywhere. It'll be too hard to blend, so you want to take your time and just, keep tapping one step at a time. Right after this, I'm going to focus on the outer corner to blend out any harsh lines whatsoever, and I'll be using the pressed powder just to set those corners even more so that it'll be easy for me to blend the eyeshadow further. So I'm using different blending brushes at this moment to further diffuse that black so everything is smooth and perfect around that area. So now I'll be using the leftover concealer on my brush just to blend the front part of my eyelid, and I'll be using that eyeshadow palette from Younger Beauty. Using those two nude shades, I will be pressing those on my eyelid area, and I'll be blending this back and forth so there are no lines at all. And I'll be using this glitter press. These are not pressed glitter, so I'll be using my benign glitter glue to apply this on my eyelid area. And I'm just going to be distributing this all over my lid, not together. I want this galaxy effect, you get. Now I'm just going over with my liquid liner, and I will be using that same black pigment to press it together so you wouldn't see where it started from where it ended. Now I'm following that up with my mascara. This one is a lengthening mascara from Zara Cosmetics, and I'll also extend that black eyeshadow underneath my lower lashes, and I'll blend it out with the blending brush. After this, I'll be using my Attitude from Younger Beauty. It's a very soft gel liner, and it's so beautiful. And separating my bottom lashes with the lashed out mascara from Zara Cosmetics. Over to my lips, I'm using this soft matte lipstick. This one is from NYX Cosmetics, so I'll just be following that up on my lips. And I'm using this matte lipstick. This one is Tease from Zara Cosmetics. After this, I will be applying another kind of matte lipstick. This one is the Pout matte lipstick from Zara Cosmetics as well. I'm just blending everything together with my lip brush, and I also added some liquid concealer and blending everything together until I'm satisfied with the lips, you guys. And that's it for this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. And I love you all, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Mwah.
It's so special, what it feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're mine, oh, just so you know, you're mine for sure. Yeah. You're mine for sure.